Hey guys, what's up? Today I bring you this power steering pump that was leaking. It came off a 2009 Honda Accord, but if you have a 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 Honda Accord 4-cylinder, you have the same power steering pump on that car, right? And this pump, you've seen me replace this pump. This pump was leaking tremendous amount of fluid from right here. As you can see, it's leaking. All right, this pump is done. There's a seal that goes all around inside here. That's one of the main seals. It has a few other seals. That one that connects to the line here, one connects to this little housing here. Then it has a bearings, couple of seals inside. Then it has a little seal probably in here. But depending on where your pump leaked from, this pump leaked from right there. So I'll show you guys how to remove that seal and replace that seal. You can find that seal on Amazon, a whole kit of bearings and everything for under $50, all right? And you could do the complete job, but we're not gonna do the complete job here. I just wanna show you how to change the seal around this housing right here. And then you'll need tools to remove this, like a puller, because this is compressed on. But we're not going that far deep down. Make sure you have a good station to work on. I put cardboard and a couple of old shirts I had. Use it as a rag. All right. So let me wipe my hands a little bit, and let's get this thing on. So this is number 12 right here, guys. We're gonna remove this 12 right here, and then you have a 12 here. All right, so this is a power steering pump. This is a vane pump. You're gonna remove the 4 bolts. I'm not gonna be reusing this pump because I replaced it as a brand new. The pump is over $100, almost close to $150. This one has a core, so I am gonna be sending it back. Let them do the rebuild. All right, once you have that removed, guys, you should be able to lift this guy out. You know, it's not gonna twist or anything, but just try to wiggle a little bit. If you're replacing your pump, if you're rebuilding your pump and you want to change just that one seal, that's the main seal, you could replace these two. Simple job. You know, it'll take you 20 minutes to replace all this, but you do need to remove the pump out of the car to do this. But alright guys, clean your pump before ahead of time. You could use a brake cleaner to spray all this off. And once you have it removed, you're gonna have housing like that. There's gonna be fluid in here, guys. Let me just check my camera if it's good angle. Alright guys, there's the vane pump right there. Alright, so that's what we're looking at right there, guys. A lot of times you can buy a kit, it will come with a little fins inside. Let me go get a little tool, a needle nose, and I'll pull out the fin. Alright guys, there I have my plier here. So this is called a fin, right? A lot of times these will wear out and the pump will not create pressure. And how this works is, if we turn this, you will see the fins will move and they will come to a side where there's nowhere for the pressure to go but into the high pressure line. All right guys, so let me go get one more tool, which is going to be a pick. if you bought a kit, guys, it's gonna come with a lot of seals, such as this one right here. So all you need is a pick, and you're gonna lift this little guy out. Alright, you're gonna get an O-ring just like that. So new O-ring will go there, and another one will go right here, guys. Alright, so you replace those two O-rings. Alright, and the fins, if you need to remove the rest of the stuff, you could remove everything. Just make a video of it as you go along. But however, guys, this is the main seal right here, right? This is what leaked on this pump. This seal right here on this housing is what leaked. So you will take this seal, replace it with a new seal. Like I said, guys, clean the pump. Since I'm not going to be reusing this, you're going to be reusing yours. So do not contaminate that pump, alright? Clean it from outside really good, or you dismantle everything and clean it with the parts cleaner. And once you have everything replaced, these seals, these are the two seals that you could easily do, right, guys? You could go more further into it, change the bearings, change the fins. Alright, a lot of things you could do. There's a valves inside, but that's a deeper job. Anyways, now to put this back together, you have this little guy right here, which is gonna go right there, guys. There's a hole there for that thing to go, so you can't go wrong. You cannot put it wrong, alright? And make sure your seal doesn't fall out. There's fluid in there. And then you're gonna close this sandwich just like that, guys. Right? You're gonna take your bolts, put them in there one by one. Make sure you torque these bolts. You're gonna see me doing it with my impact gun, my little electric gun. This is just to show and tell, guys. You could save a couple of $100 here. Alright, so now I'm wiping my hands. Got another rag here. We're pretty much done, guys. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little, make sure you use the torque wrench. You're gonna first snug all the bolts. Alright. After that, I would suggest you torque them in order. Like you do this one first and do that one first, then this one, then this one, then give it a last touch all around. So pretty much, let's start off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, but do torque your power steering pump bolt. Alright, like I said, this is a job for me to show and tell. Alright, guys, there we replaced the seal for this power steering pump. Simple, easy, 20-minute job. Wash it and everything, clean it up good beforehand, so you don't get the contamination on inside of this. Alright, guys, thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye, and I'll see you on the next one. Please share and like all of my videos, and check out my other channel called RCUSA 201. Great videos, good entertainment. You guys will love it. Thank you. Bye bye. Alright, guys, I'm on Amazon and just found this seal right here, right? And you can find the part numbers right there, guys. It's only like 30 bucks, right? And not even 30 bucks, it's under 30 bucks with tax and shipping. A lot of times you can get a free shipping from Amazon, but there it is, guys. $23 shipping plus tax. You get shipping knocked off, pay less than 30 bucks. And it'll come with seals. See, this is two seals we removed, and this is the big seals. And this right here, this goes front of the bearing. Yeah, the bearing where the pulley is, that's the big seal right there. Pretty much it comes with all the seals. The main ones that you could do within 20 minutes is right here. All right, so that's it, guys, and hope you can do yourself. Good luck. If you have questions, send me a message and subscribe. Bye bye.